Mastering data types in Power BI. When working in Power BI, how your data is stored is just as important as the data itself. In this video, we're diving into how choosing the right data type can completely transform the way you analyze and visualize information. Let's begin by clearing up a common confusion. What's the difference between a type of data and a data type? Type of data refers to what the data represents, like sales numbers, customer names, or product categories. We actually talked about this in the previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, be sure to check it out. You'll find the link in the description below. On the other hand, data types are how Power BI stores and processes the data, like decimals, text, or DateTime formats. Getting both right is crucial for building models that are not just accurate and reliable, but also efficient. Now that we've set the foundation, let's explore the core data types you'll work with in Power BI. Key data types in Power BI. Here is the list of the main categories in data types. Numeric data types, date and time data types, text or string data types, Boolean data type, binary and unique identifier data types, and specialized data types. First up, numeric data types. These are the backbone of your calculations, dashboards, and financial models. Use whole numbers for IDs or countable values. Choose decimal numbers for general calculations. Go with fixed decimal when working with currency. This keeps your financial reports precise. And when you're tracking things like ratios or growth trends, percentages make your insights more intuitive. Next, we move to date and time. Power BI is powerful for time-based analysis, but only if your data is structured correctly. Use date when the time component isn't important. Time is great for things like schedules. DateTime combines both, perfect for logging full timestamps. If you're working across multiple time zones, DateTimeOffset gives you that extra time zone context. And if you need to calculate time between events, TimeSpan is the type to use. Let's look at text data types, essential for anything descriptive. Text or string is your go-to for names, labels, and general entries. Use char when you need fixed-length fields, like country codes. And varchar for fields where text length may vary, perfect for customer feedback or flexible inputs. Keeping your text fields clean and consistent improves the clarity and usability of your reports. Now for something simple but powerful, the Boolean data type. Boolean values are either true or false. That's it, but it's incredibly effective. Use it to flag things like is active, has paid, is premium user. These fields are super useful when it comes to filtering or creating logic-based conditions in your reports. Now, let's talk about some more technical types, binary and GUID. Binary is used to store things like images or files. While Power BI doesn't process them directly, they're still helpful for storing assets linked to records. A GUID, or globally unique identifier, is a long, unique code used to identify records without duplication. It works quietly in the background to maintain record uniqueness. And finally, we have specialized data types. These bring even more power to your visuals. Geospatial data lets you work with maps using country names, cities, or coordinates. Hierarchical data supports multi-level structures like categories. These types help you create highly interactive and insightful dashboards. So, why does any of this matter? Because choosing the right data type ensures accurate calculations, a cleaner model, and a faster, more reliable Power BI experience. Setting things up right from the beginning helps you avoid messy errors and keeps your dashboards performing at their best. Keep exploring. Keep analyzing. And keep empowering your decisions with the right data structure behind every insight. Make sure to follow or subscribe for more Power BI tips, data strategies, and creative insights. Stay connected with us. All our social links are in the description. Or just search for Polaris Studio Hub. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.